What's up guys, welcome to Poland's Garage. So in today's video I'm here with Justin once again. We are gonna be taking the Sub out and we're gonna be putting it, trying to test fit it in his Mercedes. Are you excited about that?
Well, I'm more excited to see what's in there first, if I need speakers or if the old ones are gonna be acceptable.
Alright guys, so we took it out. It weighs about a ton.
More than that.
More than that.
Fucking ridiculous. It's probably subs from like the 1800s.
So we're gonna take it all apart right now. Or not all apart, but we're gonna bolt the bottom part.
We're gonna see what the subs are. Be nice if there's some like JBL audio or JL audio.
Well, I don't know what they're gonna be, because if so, Justin does have like 2 subwoofers in the garage that he's not using, so we can probably swap the
well, no, those won't. This is gonna be like a 10 or maybe even an 8.
What are the ones that you have in there?
Those are 12s.
Oh, they're 12s.
All 12s.
Oh. Alright guys, this is the big reveal. Let's see the subs. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh, they're tiny.
Yeah, they're 8s.
Oh, they're tiny, boy, right here. MA Audio.
No clue who that is.
I've never heard about it too. I wonder if it was like a good brand back in the days or it was terrible. That's what it is. MA Audio. Maybe someone could tell us.
I don't think it's a good company, but they don't look terrible. But we'll see how the wiring is, see if it's acceptable, and if so, I'll just hook these up for now.
They don't seem like they're blown.
No.
Well, we will see.
All right.
Look at him, all depressed over. He has to open his own hardtop by hands because it doesn't work, or the soft top. It's not like this perfect condition running and driving.
Do you want to see how mine idles?
Do you want to see how mine runs on the freeway though?
You could put a glass filled to the brim on my motor and it's not going to spill over.
Okay, we'll see.
Mine's cooler, the way it opens. Did you see how this thing opens, the CD changer?
Oh yeah, you showed me.
It like pops down, opens, and then goes all the way up. It's weird.
Alright guys, so we got the top down obviously, and those things are open right now. So we have to figure out, so there's screws from the bottom right here. If you feel with your finger, there's like probably Phillips's. I'm pretty sure if you unbolt, I don't know if you can only unbolt that, but if we could remove this whole entire thing, like just lift up this whole carpet thing right here, this part, I feel like would be the best way, the easiest way, because then you still have the space right here for the
because that's not there on yours.
I'm pretty sure it is. Let's see. Yep, it is on mine. So this is the thing you said that we can remove to put the amp in there, install the amp. Because what you can do, no, because what you can do, because you still, look Justin, because you still need this part to cover it, so we can just cut it. Like if you trim it right here, it will, this thing is gonna still look like factory, but it's gonna hide the amp underneath there. You see what I'm talking about, fool? Don't just rip them off, like let's actually, if I can make it nice.
Those unscrew from right here on the hinges.
Yeah, but then the hinges still stays here.
Does that matter?
Well, I guess fuck it, let's take them off.
Well, we still gotta take out the CD changer over here too.
Oh, that's true. Let's show them this CD changer.
This was aftermarket completely, but it's a 10 disc as well, with the weirdest, if you want to hold that.
Well, it's Sony. So yeah, this CD changer just gotta
wants
go.
The original radio with that, just let us know.
I don't know if you realize. Wait, hold this up. I don't know if you ever realized, because this is aftermarket too. This whole. Oh yeah, because this is all loose. You can like take out this whole fucking thing.
Well then, it might just.
Well, I will hold this by holding it out, taking it out.
Oh no, it's screwed in right there.
Oh, it's screwed in. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's easy to take it out.
We also might, just since it's super easy to access, just plop his computer for the convertible top in here, and try cycling mine, because if it works, then we know it's the computer on mine.
Just afraid if we unplug it from over there, it's gonna stop working. That's the one thing I'm afraid about.
I don't know why it would. Just disconnect the battery.
If it stops working, you owe me for the computer. It's on the camera. Deal or no deal? Deal or no deal?
No deal.
So no computer?
that computer's like $1,000.
That's exactly what I'm saying. That's why I don't want to break it.
Well, I also don't want to buy one and it not fix it, because I can't return it from a Craigslist guy. So.
Or we buy off eBay. Say it didn't work. Alright guys, it was about an hour later because we got off the truck. We took off the there's the ECU for the soft top, because we thought maybe that's what's broken, that's why the soft top doesn't operate. But no, the ECU literally looks brand new inside, so it's probably like rebuilt at some point, which is a good thing. So now we just have to track down what else is wrong with the roof. But we already started swapping the black interior, because Justin's getting the black interior from my car. So this is the first piece for it, because we have to put the sub over it anyway. So we were like, you know what, might as well just take this and have it already black. So I'm gonna start later, probably like this week or maybe Monday or Tuesday. I'm gonna start stripping the interior on this car, and then we're gonna start swapping it back to this one. So I will probably not be making videos, or maybe I will make a video of stripping this off, but then we're gonna have to put one big video of putting the whole black interior and changing the entire inside of this car. What do you think?
So far, so good. What I was thinking, I guess you guys could let me know, was converting because originally it was going to be black and red, like all over the place, but now I'm thinking the seats red, everything else black, and then these little inserts right here red as well. But let us know. That's what I think might look okay, or should we just do a black carpet and then basically everything else from this point up red?
What about black and tan? Put black carpets and keep everything else tan.
That thing over there has black and tan.
Oh, that's true, that the Eclipse over there has black and tan.
And the reason we are changing it from tan to black is because this car is getting painted a different color. Would you like to tell them what color?
Should we?
Or should it be a surprise?
Well, I guess tell them.
We're gonna get it either wrapped or painted Nardo gray, and lower it about an inch or two. And I think that is going to give it a nice stance, give it a kind of modern feel to it with the Nardo gray and then the black and red interior. We're going to try to, when I take it to the upholstery shop for the seats, I'm going to try to have them do more of like a modern looking kind of insert and stuff like that. So
it's more like modern red, not like maroon red. It's going to be like actual nice red. And then like imagine the Nardo gray with those black rims that he got, the AMG rims. Should look pretty badass, shouldn't it?
Yeah, the tires are a little too stretched in the back. I kind of fucked up on the sizes, but if I get a little bit wider tire, I think it'll make it look good too.
Also, if he lowers it a little bit, it's gonna look good too.
So,
alright, let's try fit the subs in and see what they look like. Alright guys, so there's a quick update. So we have Justin right here. Everything is working out so well so far.
So far, running this wire, we already ran these two. This is for this the amp. This is for the bass control knob, and this is just a remote wire to when you turn the key to tell the amp to turn on. So running that one last, and then I'm gonna run some wiring loom over it just so when the top sits down, because I was gonna put it under this carpet, but it's all glued down, and when I started peeling it off, it was just tearing all the carpet up. So I was like,
yeah, might as well just run it like this anyway. Because you're not like automatically opening the roof anyway for now, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, so the amp is gonna be relocated to the back. He will be swapping the trunk to black with my trunk. I already give him one piece over there for the side, but I still have to, because I have an amp on my trunk, my inside cover, so I have to like figure out the wires first before my radio stopped completely working. So I'll give it to him a different day, but for now we're gonna be just wiring and seeing if the sub works. Alright guys, it was way later during the day right now. As you can see, it's getting dark already sadly. Justin's right here rewiring the entire sub because he didn't like the cables.
Someone decided, can you hand me that wiring fucking mess?
Look guys, look at this. This is literally
just all in here.
Just all in here, yeah. Like no one knew where the hell it's going. There's like just piece by piece by piece. Like I don't know what they were thinking when wiring this, but Justin's just gonna put and they're all black wires too, so Justin's gonna just put black and red so we know.
So we know which one is positive and negative.
Yep. So after fighting, it's already nighttime by now. After fighting with it, we have all this spaghetti over here for now. One last thing to plug in is the ground, which is this cable right here. We're gonna probably just like hold it onto it just for now. So
just so we could test it, make sure it works, and then tomorrow we'll clean it all back up. We'll clean it up, make it look proper.
Okay, and let's move the lights over here so you can see the. So this is the rough idea. Oh, obviously the whole interior is going to be black and maybe later black and red. But he's taking all the black interior from me, and this is how the sub mounts in here. So don't complain that there's two colors. It's going to be all black in the end, but it fits so nicely, and you still keep the shelf, which is a nice feature. And do you have anything else to say besides you before we turn it on?
No, this guy's gonna plug in the ground and we're gonna see if it works.
So by scripted on, you can see the amp turned on. So it does. The amp has a power in it, and we're gonna see Justin right now. We're gonna see if the subs even work or no.
Miami.
You do?
South Beach.
Let me get from the other side really quickly.
Jig it out.
They bump pretty fucking nice, actually. Dude, this song? Yeah, they both fucking bump. Are you happy now?
It rattles a little bit. You hear that like knocking sound? But we'll work with that as it goes.
Yeah. Oh, so here it is, guys. So here it is, guys. You see the subs out of the DSL. This mine over there, the black one, work just fine still. Justin seems to enjoy them. They look good because they look good because you can't see them. They're not taking up any extra space. I think we're all happy with the final effect. Are we happy with the final effect?
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm like, why won't it start? You had it in gear.
Jesus, mine starts better. Alright. So we proved the subs work. I think this is it for now, isn't it? For this video?
We'll continue working on it tomorrow. Just
Yeah, but like this is gonna be a different video.
Yeah,
I'm gonna finish this video and I'm gonna post the video about the subs. And I think this is it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, stay tuned, see you next time. Also let me know what you think about the subs in the comments down below. Stay tuned.